Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup noodles. First, select a high-quality broth as your foundation. Chicken, beef, or vegetable stock all work wonderfully. Next, infuse your broth with aromatics like minced garlic, grated ginger, and the white parts of green onions. Let this mixture gently simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. This initial step is crucial for a rich and satisfying soup base. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, noodles and protein. Choose your favorite noodle type, whether it's chewy ramen, thick udon, or delicate rice vermicelli. While your broth simmers, prepare your protein. Thinly slice some chicken, pork, or firm tofu. Remember to cook your noodles separately according to the package instructions. This prevents them from getting mushy and ensures they have the perfect al dente texture when added to your soup. With your broth ready and noodles prepped, it's time for the fresh additions. Wash and chop your favorite vegetables. Bok choy, spinach, or sliced mushrooms are excellent choices. For a truly authentic touch, soft boil an egg, then have it. Finally, gather your desired toppings. Think a drizzle of chili oil, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, or a handful of fresh cilantro. These elements add both flavor and visual appeal. The moment has arrived. Carefully arrange your cooked noodles and protein at the bottom of a large, deep bowl. Next, generously ladle the steaming, flavorful broth over everything, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Add your fresh vegetables, the halved soft-boiled egg, and any other toppings you've prepared. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Serve immediately and savor your homemade, delicious soup noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.